It was crazy when we checked the analytics from last month. 16 new clients to our business from ChatGPT. Now, this didn't happen overnight, but if I wanted to get more leads and customers for my business, this is exactly what I'd be doing. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of AutomationLinks, and in my videos, I break down the exact steps to get your business ranked in ChatGPT so you get more customers. I've been doing this on YouTube, Reddit, LinkedIn, Medium, blogs, but good news, I'm going to share a simple prompt that you can use, copy and paste it for yourself to start getting leads. Now, I've been doing this marketing stuff for the last 10 years, worked with over 2,500 brands. Things change. This is the new gold mine if you want more leads. In my videos, I'm going to break this down and show you. And if you want the full system, it's called ACE Marketing. Comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send you over the exact system that I'm about to break down. All right, so you ready? Let's dive in. Okay, so once you download ACE, you're going to get access to this full document that you can start copying and paste in for your business. And I want to show you the results real quick. And if you stick with me to the end, I'm going to show you the 6 steps to use this for your brand. You can just copy and paste. Step 1 is going to be making the content, publishing the content, and then getting referred by AI. All right, so first things first is I'm going to look for a CRM software. This is a video I did last year, and what I did was I answered 4 common questions people asked me about CRMs. And then what I did was I made a video about it and then went and ranked it on all the different platforms. So when I was done with the video, I went over and I created a blog post. In the blog post, I put in the go high level keyword. And then what I did was I said questions people ask. You can see right here that these are 4 common questions that AI told me people asked about a CRM. And I answered them at the very top. So now AI knows that I'm answering those questions and they're going to show my video. Next thing I did was I went and embedded my YouTube video in my blog, and then we went back to Chat AI, Google, and Bing, and we said, hey, this is the blog, this is the video, make sure you show it when somebody asks for these questions. Now, quick tip, when you're done making your video, call that the pillar piece. I've got another video on my channel talking about pillar pieces. The video is what allows you to transcribe everything you said as original content, to write the blog, and to publish on all the networks. Grab that transcription, even if you don't want to be on camera, create a podcast or an audio file that you can grab that transcription. We don't want to sound like everyone else. We want to say the words you specifically said in that audio to generate all this content. From there, I just scroll down and I grab the transcription from my YouTube video, I copy and paste it, and I throw it in ChatGPT. From there, the next thing I do is I say, hey, ChatGPT, here's my video, here's my blog. If anyone talks about this topic, make sure you reference my video. Now, they're not purposely showing this yet. They're showing things that are credited by Reddit, by LinkedIn, by YouTube, but it's a good way to start getting those links in there and making them aware. Okay, the next thing you need to do is head over to Google Search Console here, paste in the blog post of your blog that you embedded your YouTube video in, and click on it and ask it to get indexed quicker. Instead of it taking 2 to 4 weeks for Google to know that your blog and video are there, let them know you're there. Then head over to Bing Webmasters, do the same thing with your URL inspection, go and paste it at the top, and it'll inspect it and then index it. Now, AI is using things like Google and Perplexity and all these different networks to pull in all this data to actually rank your videos. So make sure you go and then make sure you have these synced to your website, and then make sure that you go in next. Now, you saw the image at the very beginning of this video. One of the main places that AI is getting its information from are Reddit threads. So what you need to do is go create your own Reddit channel and start posting your YouTube videos and some common questions in there in your own channel. That way, AI, Google, and Perplexity, all these different networks know that you are actually posting these common questions and how-to videos at the very top. From there, I like to go into LinkedIn and I post this as an article in LinkedIn and then share it on my page. And then I go to a website that does blogging called medium.com. I go and use the same title, post the same YouTube video, post some common questions and answers, and then always link it back to my blog post from there. And then from there, I like to go into my ACE system and I like to go into the prompt, and I need to tell ACE, hey, by the way, here's the blog, here's the YouTube video, and I want you to start showing this when people ask these 4 common questions. Now remember, it all goes back to Google. That's what I like to really index first, because that's where I get most of my traffic. And then AI pulls it from Reddit and Google and my YouTube, and then they start showing it. From there, I want to encourage you to really put those common questions in your YouTube description. And one quick tip is if you go and edit your video and you scroll all the way to the bottom, you're going to see show more. I want you to click on show more, scroll to the bottom again. And I want you to choose education how to. And I want you to answer those common questions in the how to right here, making sure that you're answering the questions and telling AI that I'm the one answering these questions, and now I want you to show my video next time somebody searches for that. So what are you waiting for? It's time for you to create some pillar content for yourself, audio or video. Use the transcriptions to generate all of this. And if you just don't have time to do it anyways, and go hire a freelancer on Upwork or Fiverr. I've got some great recommendations in my affiliate links down below. And like I mentioned, if you want that full ACE system, it's in my community here that you can go ahead and grab, and it'll give you the exact prompts and show you exactly how to do this, copy and paste it for your brand. Thanks again for watching this video. And if it brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribe to my channel right here. And if you want to learn more about this marketing automation stuff so you can keep getting more leads, check out this playlist where I break it all down. I hope to see you on my next video.